Quartal, Baluri, and Panatawaraan.
Inventory na nangyari sometime in June 2023.
Let that single step begin now. Ang amin lang po, we at NEA and the other national government agencies present today, the BISAM, PRC, and DOE, isa lang ang aming pakay, isa lang ang aming layunin, that no one from Lanao del Norte will be left behind.
Was registered with the National Identification Administration. As of now, the latest rate of the Lenco is 12.77. 12.77. But these are real figures.
The administrator wanted that everything will be in smooth sailing, so that the moment it will reach the Senate, it will just be a sort of ministerial duty approved, and we will now have one province, one franchise for the province of Lanao del Norte, thanks to the leadership of Lanao del Norte.